Right, we're back today. I got my son Adam Pratt's helping me here. So say hi, Adam.
How's it going?
So today we're setting posts. You can see we're starting setting the posts around here. We're going to show you how we're going to set another post. We kind of did it here first, so we make sure we know what we're doing before we showed you, so we don't look like a bunch of idiots on the video. So right now we're going to set this 4x4 post up to this string line. We're going to get it exactly. It should be, well, I can't move it because it's already 12 foot across here. We're going to get it up the string line, get it level, and then we're going to put a header across it. So we'll show you how to level that header across the top too. So Adam, you'll stick that on there. And we got a hammer and level. So we're going to get it right up to that string. Adam's going to hold a level on it. It's kind of a two-person job here. You can do it with one, but it'd be really hard. So we're going to tap this in place, get it right where it's left and right into just touch the string when it's level. Is that level?
So good. Right there.
Let me tap it back in here a little bit. Just touching the string. Here we go. Right about there. Okay, now we're going to nail it for now. Later on, we'll come along and put some bolts, big bolts in the bottom of it. But for just getting it up and running, we're going to nail it in place. Adam's going to do this side. We'll pull it straight when we put that board up there. Because it's easier for him right-handed to nail from that side. So Adam's going to come around that side and nail over here. And again, we're going to put a bolt, three bolts to really hold that down tight once we get ready. We'll get it when we get it up. So what we did is we got the concrete already set here. So what we did is we just now put a pole in, and we're going to we nailed the pole in place where it's just about touching our string line. And so it's level this way, and then almost touching our string line. And so of course it's not very steady up there. There's nothing to hold the top. We're going to mark the level here. Our laser's right over there, shooting a laser beam. We're going to mark it here. And we've marked it down there, and we've measured up to the top. And so we're going to do the same thing from mark it here, measure up to where we want our header, and we do that all the way around the building. Again, if you move that laser, we can move the laser around as long as we go back to our reference point and measure up from that, and we can make that all work. So go ahead, Adam. So he's going to move he's moving the laser up and down until it gets right in the center, and it'll be where that laser's going across over there, and he'll mark a line with it. There he is right there. So at that point he marks a line, and then we're going to measure up from that, and he's going to square that off. That's where we're going to put our header board, so we'll do that next. All right, so we got our handy dandy tractor, which makes a nice platform to lift up with. Works pretty good. You got everything you need? And I'll hand you the board. Get your nail gun. Ready? All right, so what we're doing now is we got Adam's going to measure from this mark he made up there and put a line, and he's going to square it off. So we know where the top of our runner board is going to go. So I'm going to hold this right down here on our line. All right, what we're doing now, we've shot a laser earlier, and we measured up to the same distance as that one. Adam's marking a square line. That's where we're going to put the 2x6. And I'm going to go down here and hold this 2x6, put one nail down here, then Adam will finish it up and nail the rest of it in. Here you go. All right. This is the part I'm not wild about. We don't have two tractors or a scaffolding or anything, big kind of pain, but then I crawl up this ladder, I can put one nail in, come back down, and Adam takes care of the rest of it. So this is the little part that's just a little bit precarious here. So I get up here, up this pole. Okay, come my way. Ready? Okay, so we're gonna pop it up here, stick one nail in, I'm done. We'll come back and nail it up some more here in a second. So Adam's he's got that line marked up there. We're gonna nail it to that line that gets us level. And right now we're just nailing it up. We're gonna come back and put some lag bolts in that and some metal plates on it. But for now we're just using nails to get everything in place. I'm gonna move Adam over to this other one. So Adam's gonna put some nails, finish nailing this up. Again, we'll come back in and tie this all together a lot better, but right now we're using just a nail gun to hold everything together.